Hello guys, welcome to the channel everyone. So it's 3:53 in the morning and today I have plans to visit Mumbai from Kolkata. So basically I'll be covering around 600 to 700 kilometers a day. So I think today I'll be covering till Sambalpur, which is around 670 kilometers from here. Okay, so the second day, tomorrow, I think I can reach Amravati by night. And then the third day obviously Mumbai. So let's see if I can do that or not. By the way, let me show you my gears, my riding gears. So this is the helmet that I'll be wearing today, and this is my wife's helmet. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you that I'll be covering this trip with my wife as pillion. And this is my SLR bag. This is my Solus gloves. These are gloves. And this is my Rhinox jacket, and this is her XDI brand new jacket. So this is my tank bag. This is Guardian Gear's tank bag. I've already put my stuff inside the bag. So after a lot of studies, I finally found this tank bag to fit Dominar well. And this is an universal tank bag. So this tank bag comes with this tank pad and you can just mount it on the top of it. I'll be doing a separate video just to show you how this thing works. And these are my Biking Brotherhood saddle bag. So putting my luggage inside the bag was a hard task to do, but somehow I managed it anyway. So I think I have to put my jackets on, and then my friends are waiting outside. So चलो 1 मिनट में आते हैं. This is Hitangshu. This is Shumanda. And Shanda. Oh. ...20 kilometers far from Kharagpur. This is our second toll. So this road is going to Mumbai, and that left side, that road leads to Jamshedpur. Yeah, right. Chalo, Kolkata to Mumbai. Road trip, right trip. Okay guys, so we have reached here, and we are having breakfast in this restaurant, and it's 10:45 in the morning. It's a beautiful sunny day. Look at the roads. Yeah. So this is Hitangshu.
Hi.
He has his own channel called HB Rider. You can see it here. Do subscribe his channel.
Thanks.
And there's Shumanda.
Hello.
And our engineer sahab.
Bolo ke
Arey
bole
engineer sahab, kuch to bolo.
Pro life papu take khichte diye.
Okay, so टेस्टी यम्मी
ভালো করে
यप सो अभी हम लोग ये एक टोस्ट खा रहा है या बट दिस होटल इज टू मच एक्सपेंसिव कितने का है ये
60
अरे बाप रे ये टोस्ट सिर्फ 60 रुपीज़ का है बहुत महंगा लग रहा है
टोस्ट भी वो नॉर्मल वाला स्लाइस वाला ब्रेड है
तो संबलपुर पहुंचना है संबलपुर यहाँ से 470 किलोमीटर्स फार है आई थिंक बाय इवनिंग 6 in the evening I think we'll reach there so let's see आगे आगे क्या होता है ब्रेकफास्ट भी कर लिए और अभी हम रुकेंगे लंच करने 3:30 या 4 बजे 280 kilometers far from home my mates are just a few blocks behind me oh no see look at these guys they don't have any idea how to cross the road and it's 112 I don't know why my Dominar is giving worst mileage ever it's around 25 km per liter maybe it's because I'm carrying much weight like I never did that before so it would be a decent possibility and we had to stop here because मेरा ये शूज़ का the sole was completely worn out and ये जूता का एज भी हो गया तो अभी ये शायंदा थोड़ा जुगाड़ लगा के ये किया अभी तो कोई सिटी में हम जा सकते उसके बाद ये हम रिपेयर कर लेंगे ये तो बहुत लेट हो चुका है and अभी we have not yet reached Cuttack अरे according to Google Map you have to take left from here this is not Cuttack this is 10 kilometers before Cuttack from here we have to take left that's what Google Map is saying yes so this road is going towards Angul so we are going Sambalpur via Angul so the straight road is for Cuttack and this is for Angul and then Sambalpur then Nagpur, Amravati and our destination Mumbai wow beautiful curve roads so this is a single lane road maintain an average speed of around 70 to 80 km per hour back in double lane road so in here in this single road I don't think that we can maintain that much of speed that much of average speed अभी 3:30 बज गया तो संबलपुर भी अभी भी कितना बाकी है संबलपुर 263 किलोमीटर so and Google Maps saying that it will take 6 hours and 5 minutes if we continuously ride then we'll reach there by 9 or 9:30 p.m. but I don't think that we can continuously ride because we have to take our lunch so this is our second refueling last time 570 के आसपास कुछ बिल हुआ और अभी चलो 598 so So it's 5 in the evening, and locals said that current road scenario will be like this, single red road, and after 70 kilometers we'll be getting so after 70 kilometers from here we'll be getting a double lane road. Sambalpur maybe 237 kilometers far. Don't know if we can reach there by tonight or not. I don't know. But let's see and hope for the best. And we have stopped here, and so I'm just charging my Sena with this port, and I'm charging my phone. I'm charging my phone from here, and I'm charging my GoPro from this bolt charger. मेरा ये throat का condition पूरा खराब हो गया. I don't know if I can speak for how long I don't know. चलो देखते हैं. So it's totally dark. So I'm turning on my fog. That's my fog light. My throat is still paining a lot, and I bought antibiotic medicines. दवाई खा भी लिया. I think somehow I got cold yesterday. Okay, so from here, right, okay, he's waiting there for me, and Hitanshu and Shanda behind me. Okay, so Hitanshu, right. It's 6:20 in the evening, and still we have 220 kilometers left, which is our final destination for today. So after 30 minutes, 200 kilometers left, Sambalpur, and the temperature is falling. This is a forest area. I think we are crossing Kabul right now. Kabul, Satkoshia, these are the places belongs in here. Wonderful gates by the villagers, I must say. अरे बाप रे बाप, डेकोरेशन तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. नहीं वो पीछे थोड़ा वेट कर लो, बहुत ही डेंजरस रास्ता है. हम लोग को तो अभी डर लग रहा है. वाइफ लेकर आ गया इस रास्ते में, और अभी 9:30 बज रहा है. संबलपुर अभी भी 150 किलोमीटर दूर है. गूगल मैप तो बोल रहा है कि 4 किलोमीटर बाद हम लोग को लेफ्ट जाना पड़ेगा. तो ये रास्ता तो भयंकर लग रहा है. रास्ता का कोई लाइट नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग पूरा हमारा बाइक का जो पूरा लाइट है वो चारों बाइक का जो एडिशनल लाइट्स है वो पूरा ऑन कर दिया. Sambalpur अभी भी 149 किलोमीटर. Yeah, I think this is the connector of our so-called double-lane highway. Hey, so we stopped here for our tea break, and Sambalpur is around 80 kilometers far. All the bikers are very tired, and there was our tea stall from where we got our teas. So I just met with Prashant. Hello Prashant. So he's saying that the road condition is too bad. Prashant, please say something. Please say something on the road.
रोड तो बहुत खतरा है. ये रोड 86 किलोमीटर संबलपुर जाएगी तो 2 घंटा लगेगा.
अरे बाप रे, 2 घंटा लगेगा.
2 घंटा लगेगा.
अच्छा. तो रास्ता पूरा ऐसा ही चलेगा.
ऐसे चलेगा.
अच्छा.
जंगल एरिया.
जंगल एरिया. और अगर दिन होता तो व्यू अच्छा मिलता. अच्छा. तो ठीक है, चलो दोस्तों, अब तो सुन लिया पूरा. तो हम देखते हैं. हम अभी प्लान तो है कि 30 किलोमीटर्स के बाद हम कुछ खाएंगे, डिनर करेंगे. लंच तो पूरा स्किप हो गया आज का. तो डिनर के बाद अराउंड 50 किलोमीटर्स रहेगा संबलपुर पहुँचने में. तो उसके बाद हम संबलपुर में कोई होटल वगैरह बुक कर लेंगे और चलो देखते हैं। चलो 30 किलोमीटर अभी चलते हैं, तो उसके बाद 20 to 30 किलोमीटर चलते हैं, उसके बाद कोई अच्छा खासा ढाबा ढूंढ के हम डिनर कर लेंगे। ठीक है, चलो लोग आगे चलो, उसके बाद ढाबा तो मिलेगा रास्ते में, लेकिन गूगल मैप शो कर रहा है कि 11:40 बज जाएगा। लेकिन 1 बजे में कोई होटल मिलेगा? रास्ता बहुत खराब है और अभी 10:30 हो चुका है। ढाबा तो बहुत मिला, लेकिन you know we are with our wives and my friends have their own choices, so हम लोगों को तो रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहिए, तो इसलिए हम लोग ढाबा में नहीं गया। कोई अच्छा खासा ढाबा भी नहीं मिल रहा है। संबलपुर यहाँ से 45 किलोमीटर है। शायद अगर ऐसा ही चला तो 1 घंटा में तो पहुँच जाएंगे। That means we'll reach there by 11:30. चलो वर्क कर दिया 1 दिन का राइड पूरा। Just let me tell you guys, we all are very tired and exhausted. I'm just praying that हम लोग अभी होटल शांति से पहुँच जाए। और ये रास्ता में बहुत डस्ट है, बहुत पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि कौन सी डस्ट है या फॉग है। So we have found a restaurant here where we can go and have our dinner. So there's that restaurant. अरे बाप रे बाप, क्या है रास्ता? रेस्टोरेंट को तो देख के लगता है कि अच्छा है। चलो मिल गया आखिर। होटल जीतू। So अभी हम लोगों का ये होटल जीतू में, ये हम होटल जीतू में है, तो इसमें हम लोगों का रूम भी मिल गया और रूम का प्राइस है 600। बहुत कम लग रहा है। और यहाँ खाने का टेबल भी है। एंड सबसे अच्छा पार्ट ये है कि हम लोगों का जो बाइक है, बाइक का पार्किंग भी मिल गया। So our bikes will be secured there for the night. We're all tired, you know. We're all tired. तो चलो रूम दिखाते हैं आप लोगों को। So finally this is the room. Well, pretty nice for a 670 kilometers journey, and we are really tired. Finally, you know, see the bed. Yeah. So we got it for about 600 rupees, and I really can't wait to dive in the bed. So I have a balcony over there. Let's see what it's got. Nice balcony, nice small balcony. Maybe I get to see the view in the morning, but I'm not sure though. Okay, so let me tell you about the road from Kolkata to Sambalpur. It was a mixed road kind of. You can get really smooth tarmac till Cuttack, but after Cuttack, it is really harsh. We are all tired, and it is time for our dinner. So probably this is 12:50, I think, in the morning. Sorry, in the night. Now I just need to grab my dinner and then off to bed, because tomorrow will be a hectic day for all of us. So okay, I think this is it for now. So if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends. But if you dislike it, then just press the dislike button twice. So signing off.